Alright, so now I've got it downloaded. Now we're going to get started in Premiere. I got my music downloaded. So let me open up Premiere. I guess I should have done this beforehand. But you want to make sure that you have all of your footage. Like I'm going to look at, I'm going to go to Carson's. So you want to make sure you have all of your music video footage in your own folder. So if you're in Carson's group, you're going to want to go to his music video folder, his raw footage, highlight both these, copy them, and put them in your own individual folder. So who else is in his group? Cash is in his group. Projects, music video, footage. Cash hasn't done it yet, so I'll do it for him. Go ahead and paste it. And so that way Cash will have all the footage too in his own individual folder in case someone does something crazy. It's super easy. But I'm going to go back to, all right. So make a new project. And so I'm going to call it music video. If you want to put your name after it, it wouldn't hurt. Calling this one sample. You want to hit browse. You want to make sure you put it on the network. So first period, 2018-19, individuals. I'll put it in Carson's folder, projects, music video. I'm just going to put it out here in his music video folder. Click select folder, and then we're good to go. Click OK. Alright, so now I'm here. Now I want to import my footage. So if you remember, it's Control I, or if you double click in your project bin. So I'm going to double click. First period, 2018-19, individuals, Carson, projects, music video, raw footage. And I'm going to import each folder separately. So it only allows you to do one folder at a time. So import the 12.3.18 folder. Alright, I'm going to import the 12.5.18 folder. Alright, and then I'm also going to import my music, which is, where did I put it? Did I put it in Elizabeth's folder? I think I did. Projects, music video, raw footage. Yeah, I did. Alright, so you want to make sure you have your music in your own folder, but I'm going to take mine from Elizabeth's because that's where I put it. And then click open. Alright, so now we've got all of our stuff imported. Before we get started, we want to go ahead and make our sequence first. So I'm just going to take the first video that I see here, click and drag it over, left click and drag it, drop it onto my sequence, and then it automatically makes it, gives it this name, MVI, whatever your file name was. So I'm going to change that, remember? So I'm going to go master, and so now I've got a master sequence, and I can delete this. And so now I've got it set up. I'm going to take my sequence and move it out so it's out in the open and not in this folder anymore. So now when I look at it, I've got my two folders of footage, my master sequence, and my music here. So now I'm set and ready to start editing.